Good morning everyone, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do OS updates on Mac OS Mojave. In the latest version of Mac OS Mojave, the process is just a little bit different. It's really easy actually, it's just how you go about finding it is different than in previous versions. In older versions, you would open the App Store and then you would go to Updates and boom, all the updates would happen over here. In Mac OS Mojave, what you have to do is you click on the Apple icon on the top left, then you click on System Preferences, and then you go to the third row, 1, 2, 3, and then you go to the third icon, which is Software Update. You click on it once, and then your computer will automatically scan Apple's server to see if there's any updates available. So let's see if my computer has something. Nope, it does not. So everything is fully up to date on this Mac. And so this is how you check for software updates on Mac OS Mojave. If you have found this tutorial to be helpful, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.